What's up, everyone? Hope your day's been going well so far. We've been kind of waiting for this moment where things get exciting again. Something to really create some spark and excitement, not just with Shiba Inu alone, but the crypto market in general. And there is something that I noticed coming from the SHIB ecosystem today that should actually get people a little excited. Not sure what's taking place, but the last time we saw something like this happen, we saw hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Shiba Inu actually removed from supply. Now, this isn't a guarantee this is going to happen again or anything like that, but what I noticed is that in the most recent transactions on Shibarium, there has been a significant increase in the transaction cost. All right. So just looking at one of these most recent transactions, not a very big one, looks like about $42, smaller transaction, right? The transaction fee on this was actually 0.05 bone. This equates to 2 cents. Now, it may not seem like a large transaction, and you're right? Not very much in terms of the transactions fee. Last time we saw them this high, there was millions of transactions per day taking place on Shibarium. That's not happening. It's 5, 6, 10,000, whatever it may be. But this brings about a different discussion here. Now, what I'll point out is the fact that this base fee is still extremely low. The burn fees are still extremely low. We're talking a lot of zeros, 659 on this transaction, for example. But what this brings about is a discussion that we can have about the future of Shibarium and what this can become with governance. All right, we've talked about the DAO governance. We've talked about the community taking back control of Shibarium. And if these fees remain the same, I'm talking about the overall transaction cost on here, but we adjust that base fee as a community to maybe, let's say 50%, we can start to see more significant burns in terms of Shiba Inu. All right. Now, it's probably not going to be hundreds of thousands of dollars per day, at least to start, like we were seeing when Shibarium first launched and was getting tested out and things like that, right? You need to see a huge increase in the amount of transactions. You need to see more projects being built. Right now, frankly, when we look at DeFi in general, there's not a whole lot going on because, again, we're not in times of heavy DeFi usage. We're not in times of big adoption. But this is where you can start to get a little more confidence in what's taking place in Shibarium. Now, am I saying that, this is where I have 100% trust? No. Am I saying that things are perfect? Absolutely not. I think there's still a long path to follow towards getting back to where Shibarium was and what Shibarium was accomplishing. But if we go down the same path, if we do the same things and we couple that with huge growth within the ecosystem, bigger optics, more excitement, this is where we can start having a lot bigger discussions about SHIB becoming hyper deflationary again. So I want to hear your guys' take on this. What you think this means? Is this going to become something that's consistent? And is this going to create some significance surrounding Shibarium and the SHIB ecosystem moving forward? But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. But have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.